Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, I thought it would be fun to show you a fun Bowser surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start out with our Bowser surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle, so it looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to give it another fold right here, and I'm going to fold it so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up like this. Now to start off with our Bowser surprise fold, I'm going to begin by making part of the cheek right here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and then down to here. Next we'll make a little bump right there. And then another big bump right here for the nose. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then back up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve across. And then I'm going to draw a little line that comes up, and then a taller line that comes up here for the eye. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back here for like a curved check mark shape. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down. And then another line is going to come up, and we're going to put a couple little points on here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for the pupil. I'll make a little line here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down, and then up and down right here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that comes out for part of the head. And I'm going to make a curved line here. And then another curved line right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point and then down for Bowser's horn. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and then back for part of his hair. We'll make a long one here and another one there. Then I'm going to bring a long line down to here. And I'm going to bring some more of these pointy lines down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. And then another one that's just going to come down and then curve right to here. Right here, I'm going to curve a line up here. We'll bring this line down and then curve it up. And we'll put another line right here. I'm going to draw a little line right here. And then I'm going to make a little spike here. A little point with a curve here. And then a little curve over here for more spikes. Now my next step is I'm going to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I have this opened up, I'm going to begin by connecting these two lines. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these lines here. And then I'm going to bring this line down and up. I'm I'm going to draw another line that's going to come up to here. Don't go past the fold. And then I'll make a little smile curve right there. I'm going to bring this line up and then down to here. And then I'm going to bring this line all the way to here. I'm going to make a big pointed tooth here, and then a couple smaller teeth here. I'll do the same thing here. Big pointed tooth, and then a couple smaller teeth right here. Then I'll make a big line that curves down here for the tongue. And then I'm going to make a bunch of fire in here. So we're just going to make some curvy, pointed lines right here. Just like this. Now, starting right here underneath the fold, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve in and then come down. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to curve in and then down here for part of the shell. And I'll make two little lines right here for part of Bowser's shell. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bowser in a surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got his mouth, or his face looking really angry. Then when we open it up, he is blasting his fire. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.